All right, so this is a sort of just a quick review on how to get things started for getting designs used on the laser, either to scan or to cut, mostly to cut for this project. So remember, for most 2D graphics work, we use Designer at Gravit.io, or you can just type in designer.io. Both things will get there. You're going to click the Google button, and you're going to be using your school account to sign in. That's your MMUUSD account. So this is taking a moment here. So willie.lee@mmuusd.org. You'll probably have to type it in, and you'll have to put in your password that you use to sign into Chrome. So mine remembers it because it's my laptop. Yours will be a little different. Okay. So when we are in Designer right now, whenever we do a design, no matter how big it is, we're going to end up cutting it out, or it's going to be on a piece of material or wood, is we're going to make it 1,000 by 1,000, changing the units to millimeters. That's a square meter. Okay, so 1,000 by 1,000 millimeters, and we're going to hit create. Okay, as always, the first thing you should always do is save your design. Right when you open it, remember, Designer does not save automatically. So I'm just going to save it, and I'm going to call this ornament, because I'm going to be working on this screencast ornament cut. Ornament cut, and hit save. Super important that you do that. And you can remember too, it's going to synchronize up here. And so that's that. So a couple ways to get images. One, you can draw your own using the pen tool, and there's a number of screencasts, and you've done this in the past in different grades with drawing. There's screencasts on the grade 8 about tracing, creating stuff. There's screencasts on the grade 5 site about drawing and creating stuff. And we did this year in creating sort of gliders. So you might have traced some stuff for gliders. A lot of information, places to search through the different grades to find what you need if you need to look there. Other things you can do is go from the layers menu to the libraries menu and go to the icons menu. This might take a few moments to load because I'm recording. So I might pause the video. Oh, there we go. And so you can look through these icons. The thing about these is that they're very, very small. So I'm going to go to nature. And generally the ones we want to choose is we don't want it for the lasering. We don't want to choose color ones. You can change the colors, but you really want to change things that are black and white. So I'll just choose one just as an example. How about this palm tree and this one here? So if I bring this out, you can see it's really, 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 really small. So you want to zoom in, click it, okay? And when we change scale of something, it's really, really important, delete that one. It's really, really important that you hit the transform and then grab a corner box, and then you want to hold down shift because that keeps the aspect the same. So zooming is control and scroll again, and I'm going to zoom in, and then I'm going to hold shift on the keyboard, make sure the transform button is clicked, and I'm going to drag this out and make this really, really big. So that's one way, okay? Another way, and then you might add some words and do some other stuff depending on how you want to do this ornament cutout. I'll get to that in a moment. Another place to go besides libraries in drawing your own is this great website right here. This is called gameicons.net. They have a lot of really great simple icons that are really, really fun and simplistic. Like here's one of a pig and so forth. They have a lot of menus that you can search through. So if I go to one like creatures and monsters, which are pretty cool, fun to look at, it's loading right now. Here we go. So here's some cool creatures. I've seen this one before. It's a sticker of that one on the board. So if I choose like one of these cool monsters, like how about this, the Sasquatch? That one's pretty good. Or this guy, slime. Go to slime, and you're gonna download a PNG of it. So you're gonna go to PNG, download. Okay, it's sent it into your downloads, and then in your Designer account, I'm gonna get rid of this one for now. You're gonna go to File, Import, Place Image, and then go to the Downloads document. You can see there's slime right there. Open up slime, and it's probably gonna be a little bigger than that one, and then you can drag that out and make that big. So if I was gonna make a cool cutout of this slimy guy, maybe an ornament or something. I'll make an ornament with this slime guy. You have to, that's what you want to do. So you want to bring it in and then make it bigger. Okay. And on the next screencast, I'll talk about what to do if I want to do some cutting and thinking about how to do some of this work. So I'm going to stop it there. That's for cutting laser.